Welcome to Cosmic Chick. And if you guys are new to my channel, I just want to give you guys like a little overview about me and my channel. I love to cook, do a lot of DIY stuff, and I'm really into beauty. So with that being said, what I'm gonna show you guys today is how I did my braids like this. So stick around and stay tuned. This was my head before. And to start off, I'm just parting my hair into sections as equal as possible. I find it really easier to braid my hair when everything is like already parted into sections versus like trying to part as you go. Now my parts is not going to be super clean and crisp because I am doing my own hair, and yeah, I just go with the flow. You can see here that it's not super even, but I get it as close to straight as I can possibly get it. So I am using the Freetress Clean Therapy here. It's pre-rinsed and cleansed in vinegar. I love this because if it's not pre-rinsed, it makes me itch. To give the braids a sleek look, I always like to use some type of gel or itch control. So this is the edge control that I use. It's, as you can see, the Creme Nature Perfect Edge Hold. And not only does it give you a super good hold, but it also comes in the color black. So any missing places in your head that you may have, it'll help out with that. So here is my first braid, you guys, and I don't have like a super great technique, but I'll put the piece of hair in my mouth. I don't know if you guys were just able to see that, and once I do that, I'll swing one part of the hair into my hair as I am cornrolling down. Blah, blah, blah. But yeah, once I do about 2 to 3 turns, I'll go ahead and swing the other piece in there and just continue to braid down. And the key to really clean looking braids is to make sure your hair, well, your natural hair is detangled as much as possible as you are braiding down. And when I get to this part, I always try to make sure everything is in place, and then I'll add some edge control on my natural hair to smooth it out. That way it is sleek as possible and blends in with the braid. So here is the finished look. And I added beads and hair jewels. I also added on some hair rings. I love these hair beads. I got them at my local beauty supply store. And I think I want to use them on another braid style, but we'll see. So that's it, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. You guys leave me a comment. Just let me know how you like this style and if you want to see me do any other kind of videos in the future. And I thought that I got a little bit more footage of me braiding my hair, but I guess I didn't hit the record button. It's all good though, because like I said, I'm going to keep the content coming. But I thank you guys for watching, and I will be seeing you guys on the next video.